think I'm gonna get this car. Come, girlie. Come.
I'm coming.
Oh my goodness. Okay, sit. Okay, so we are currently going. Oh my goodness, hope we don't fall.
Hey, do you want to go to the beach?
Yeah, let's go. It is just in front of us.
Oh wait, no, somewhere else.
Where?
To the airport. We are going somewhere else.
Let's go Bora Bora.
Yeah, let's go Bora Bora. That's what I'm exactly saying. Wait, you could place your house here.
I know. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, the next flight is Bora Bora only. Come on, it's about to leave.
I am coming. I'm picking my suitcase.
Do Bora Bora.
Wait, huh?
This one, second
Bora
one.
Bora. I can do it.
Oh no, I have to come again. Bora Bora. Come on. Quickly go.
I'm coming. I'm going.
Let's go. Oh my goodness, come on, let's go. Mom, it's about to leave. Okay, I'm in.
I'm also in. Let's go.
Oh no, the gate is closed. We cannot go. Oh wait, what is happening?
I don't know.
See, what the heck?
I don't know what's happening.
Same. Oh my goodness, the gate is closed. We have to wait.
Attention please. All passengers departing for the flight to Aspen.
I'm in the plane.
I'm not.
Please make your way to the gate and board the airplane. Thank you for flying.
I'm also in the plane, but we are going somewhere else, not in Bora Bora. We are going
I'm gonna fly the queue.
Okay.
I'm changing.
Okay, I'm gonna play some games on my phone, guys. So let's play some games, guys. Pocket cookies. Okay, I don't need. Do
You like my animation?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not the R6, it's this one.
Okay. I'm popping balloons, guys.
I'm also gonna play a game.
You can play on your phone.
How?
I'm gonna play.
How?
Go here.
Okay, thank you. Bouncy bird.
Okay, guys, I'm playing.
Oh, I just revive. I'm reviving.
Bro, you cannot revive. I'm also gonna play bouncy ball. It's very easy. What the?
Oh, I almost died.
Easy retry. Wonk.
I'm gonna stack blocks.
Ow! It is also very hard. Bro, everything is hard.
I'm stacking blocks.
Oh my. The last one is impossible.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going.
Ladies and gentlemen, your
I wanna
attention.
see the view. I wanna see the
The
view. I
captain
wanna
has
see the
turned on
view.
the seatbelt sign.
See,
Please take a seat and fasten your seatbelt.
you can see nothing, bro.
We are gonna go.
Woo! Let's go, guys! We
Look
are
at the view.
going.
Look at the view.
Oh my goodness, guys!
It's moving. It's moving. It's moving.
Let's go, guys! We are going.
I'm flying the plane. I'm flying the plane.
Okay. You guys, my bestie is flying the plane. Okay, let's go.
Till 8:30 we can play.
Yeah. It's already 8 o'clock, by the way. Oh, I'm relaxing. Oh my goodness! Ah! We are in.
We are here.
Oh my god, guys! Oh my goodness, we are here.
This matches me. This matches me. Play.
Oh my goodness, hi. Let's go. Okay, Mishka, I'm gonna get a hut
I'm also coming.
so we can both live together.
I found a hut, I think.
I think I'm also gonna find a hut.
Wait, where are you? Where are you? Come here.
Wait, Mishka,
Get snowballed.
we can get 2 neighbors.
Hey, this is my house.
Where are you?
Yes, the one you're at. The one you're at. This is mine.
Oh, I can be your neighbor here. At the last.
Yay. I'm trying to close the door.
Oh my goodness, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm gonna get this house next to you. Okay, guys, so
Bounty,
this
bounty.
is my house next to hers. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Who is at my house? What happened, bro? What happened?
Wait, who's
It is.
that?
It is. Oh! Get out! I'm gonna block you from my house or else. Mishka, don't let him come to your house. He's coming to yours. Bro is trying to live inside everyone's house. Are you dumb or something, bro? Stop it. Okay, Mishka, are you coming out? Hey,
I'm just
girl.
going to your house.
Ah, yeah, you can open my door. You can open my door.
I can?
Yes, friends can open each other's doors.
Oh, thank you.
Houses.
I'm locking the door.
Okay, Mishka.
Okay.
Or you can control my house as well. You have to go here. You can control my house. Friends can control each other's house.
I'm watching the cameras.
Yeah, no one's out.
I see someone. You wanna go out?
Wait, I'm going. I have to